Let's talk about one of the world's greatest investors who you've probably never even heard of. You know the big names, right? Well, this guy manages billions but stays completely under the radar. How good is he? Try an average return of nearly 30% a year. Yeah, legendary stuff. His journey from a wanted man to an investing genius is a story you just have to hear. So his story doesn't start on Wall Street. It starts in the middle of total chaos. Seriously, his early life was one unimaginable crisis after another. It absolutely forged who he became. Okay, so he escapes to the US, and a chance meeting at Columbia University changes everything. He was broke, trying to pay for school, when a classmate pointed him toward a lecture. The speaker? Just some friendly guy named Warren Buffett. Li Lu knew nothing about investing. What he heard that day completely shattered his view of the stock market. It set him on a new path. He learned a huge idea. Stocks aren't just tickers. You're actually buying a piece of a business. He also learned that short-term, the market's a popularity contest. Long-term, it's about real substance. So what does he do? He starts investing the float from his student loans. Pretty clever, right? And get this, by graduation, he turned that float into $1 million, a true investing prodigy. So in '98, he starts his own firm, Himalaya Capital, right at the start of a massive financial crisis. He focused on finding great Asian companies that were built to last, with a strong competitive edge. But even though he bought great companies cheap, his fund lost 19%, and his clients panicked. But for a guy who survived true chaos, market swings weren't a risk, they were an opportunity. So who helps him solve this problem of short-sighted clients? His mentor, the great Charlie Munger. He totally rebuilt his fund for long-term investors. Munger himself even put his own money in. And since then, his performance has just been off the charts, cementing his status as a legend. Lu's story is amazing proof that success is built on resilience, philosophy, and just pure conviction.